While I was at Fox Subacute, I had an outstanding physician. His name is Dr. Eric Zoiferman. He's the Chief Medical Director at Fox Subacute. He was very patient and very kind to us. When he would come in to do his rounds weekly, because I couldn't talk yet, we would sit and write down questions for him. And he would come in, he would sit on the end of my bed, I would give him my questions, and he would go through each question and answer each question. If my husband didn't quite understand where that question was leading or the answer was leading, he would ask his own questions. But he was wonderful. It's too bad I couldn't work with him as a nurse because he had a very, very serious side, but he also had a joking side. And through my years of nursing, I've always dealt with stuff with humor.
But they would share with me when I came back in the evening, respiratory people would sit down and say, we had Christy weaning for 3 hours, say, today. She did really good, and she got really tired. We had to put her back on a vent. Or physical therapy aides or nurse and staff would say, Christy was able to make 2 trips around the hallway today, walking. She got really tired and really short of breath. We had to stop that. To someone coming into Fox as a patient or a patient's family, you have no idea what to expect. Nobody knows what to do with ventilators and trachs. That's not something we normal people deal with. They just made us feel at home at Fox.